Hello, my name is Chanel. I'm a wife, mother, and I work. I've been in Fairbanks for 6 years. I have 2 sons. They're 10 and 12. My husband is military. I enjoy music, movies, and art. I'm taking this class online because it gives me more flexibility for work, family, and school. I've always thought anthropology was the study of other cultures, but it turns out, which I'm partially right, the study of human societies and cultures and their development. So I'm looking forward to this class. I only read the first page of the Clifford reading, and at first he comes across as being a little entitled, and I guess I'm just trying to remember that people's cultures is an invite. You're not entitled to anything, but you later read, in the first page that they're very respectful of what they've learned. Yeah. I personally know a few natives in town, and above all else, no matter what, they do respect their culture. I'm currently working on an associate's degree. This is my last semester. It's my dry one before I start my bachelor's into addiction counseling and social work. And I think this course is going to help me to understand or become a better counselor. When you can understand people's backgrounds and their culture, it gives you a change in perspective and some better insight.